吸引嘅啫，因為我覺得好靚，我今日仲要特登着翻襯翻去嘅。早晨啊，咁多位，咁咧今日咧我咧就去一間 cafe 啦，見到係喺空爹附近嘅，喺宏大附近嘅，咁但係咧有啲難去啊，所以我決定咧搭的士去，好難啊嗬！俾大家睇下出邊嘅風景。衫啊，其實我呢件冷衫咧好靚，好中意。其實我之前咪話想搞個咖啡杯展覽嘅，咁其實今次咧呢一間 cafe 嗰隻杯，我覺得好靚嘅，好適合我諗住做嘅主題嘅。
Come to the kitchen floor, tiles are cold, so am I. So take from me what you want, what you need. Take from me whatever you want, whatever you need. But lover, please stay with me. Lover, I feel your sorrow.
咁咧，我而家咧就喺呢一間 Pouring Out 呢間 cafe 啦。咁其實本身咧，我咧就淨係俾佢呢一隻杯吸引嘅啫，因為我覺得好靚，我今日仲要特登着翻襯翻去嘅色啦。咁同埋我好中意佢，即係成間嘢都係好有 mood 啦。跟住我而家就試緊去一個手沖咖啡啦。佢係一開頭咧就會有 apricot 嘅味，跟住咧凍咗之後咧就會有呢個 hazelnut 嘅味，咁所以咧凍同熱咧都可以有唔同嘅味道啦。咁佢就 suggest 我即係留翻少少攤凍啲先飲。咁所以呢個就係即係咖啡奧妙嘅地方，即係唔同嘅人沖啦，唔同嘅心情啦，唔同嘅溫度啦，都有唔同嘅味道啦。同埋咧，佢呢度嘅所有嘅 package 我都好中意啦，即係都係好簡約嘅。咁佢呢一個就係佢嘅 pancake 啦，唔錯啦 honestly。咁係。即係韓國人咧都好中意食 Earl Grey 嘅，咁佢呢個就係落咗啲 Earl Grey 醬嘅一個 pancake 啊，咁同埋佢係有兩件嘅，所以係兩個人 share 咯，我覺得值得一叫。跟住咧，同埋咧佢咧最特別嘅地方咧係佢呢度可以寫紙仔 request 咧播咩歌嘅，咁我覺得我有啲想偷咗佢呢條橋添啊，因為我覺得其實每一間 cafe 嘅 playlist 咧都有佢嘅風格，其實聽到自己點嘅歌。即係可以即係每一首歌又係代表住嗰一刻嘅心情，你想同一個人講嘅嘢。咁所以呢個地理位置就唔係好近呢個平時我哋近地鐵站啦，但係我覺得即係特別，我好中意去呢啲 hidden gem 咁樣咯，即係一啲唔係好多人嘅 district。
Hello.
Hello, 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
So we have June from Pouring Out Cafe.
I am pouring out barista. Work as a barista.
Actually, I'm attracted to this cafe because of the very pretty paper cup. I think it's an ocean, right?
Yeah, ocean and wave.
Wave.
And
So what does pouring out mean?
pouring out means pouring out your or hidden mind, hidden, and also we are pouring milk for guests and coffee. So 그동안 숨겨왔던 마음들이나 아니면 슬픈 것들, 행복한 일들을 다 털어놓고 갈 수 있는 공간에서 우리가 푸어링을 하면서 그렇게 같이 어울릴 수 있는 좋은 공간을 만들고 싶어 하시는 것 같아요. 그래서 사장님께서 푸어링 아웃이라는 공간을 마련했고 저는 거기서 많은 사람들이 자기들의 감정을 쏟아낼 수 있게끔 도와주는 사람이라고 생각합니다.
Thing I really like is is they have this request form for the guest, so they can order the song they want to listen.
Yeah.
That is very special.
I think that music can say someone's mind or mood or the day of him or her. So it makes sense with pouring out my mind, pouring out with the song. 그러니까 노래가 사람들한테 수많은 감정을 대변해 줄 수 있다고 생각하고 그날의 기분 그리고 지금 내 상태가 어떤지를 노래로 알려줄 수 있다고 생각하는데 그래서 이 리퀘스트 용지에 노래를 써서 저희한테 제공을 하면 저희가 그걸 틀어드리고 그렇게 서로의 감정을 교류하는 거라고 생각해요. 그래서
Yeah, and actually, as I said, I want to do an exhibition in Hong Kong. Maybe I can put the poster there and also the paper cup together with the paper cup. And you also gave me many nice postcards. They have really nice postcards with very good design. And you know, last time I wear my jacket cardigan in gray.
Yeah, similar.
same color. You guys all notice. Okay. Any special thing you want to say to Hong Kong people? I think you also love Hong Kong.
Oh yeah, I really like Wanggawi.
Even I'm also a Juma.
You are 아줌마?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm very old.
Oh, I can understand.
Korean guy is very smart. When I said I'm old, he said he don't understand.
I don't understand. Sorry, my English is bad, so I can understand.
Okay, so anything you want to say to Hong Kong people?
저는 홍콩에 있는 사람들이든 전 세계 사람들이던 커피를 마시는 사람들을 진짜 좋아하는데 그래서 꼭 홍콩도 가보고 싶고 만약에 한국에 오신다면 푸어링 아웃에 오셔서 자넷이랑 제가 서툰 영어로 응대를 하고 있긴 하지만 최대한 행복한 추억 만들고 갈 수 있도록 노력할게요. 그렇게 친해지고 나서는 제가 홍콩 놀러 가면 친구들이랑 다 같이 놀 수 있는 날이 왔으면 좋겠습니다.
Very nice.
Thank you. I
And handsome.
Oh, I can understand.
And very smart.
So I can understand my handsome and word, or I don't know.
But you remember everything. Okay, I have a souvenir for you. Let me find it. I have very messy. Okay. Oh. Oh.
Wow, cute.
Cute.
So cute.
So this is the Hong Kong classic milk tea.
Oh, I know that the Hong Kong's milk tea is very good.
Yeah, you can
quality.
try.
Oh, thank you. The cow is so cute.
The cow.
Oh, hello cow.
Hello, cow.
I think that her name is Jenny.
Jenny. Jenny's bakery.
Jenny's
Milk.
Jenny's milk. I don't know.
Do you understand? You don't understand.
I'm poor. I'm poor. Yeah, thank you.
Jenny's milk tea.
Chinese milk tea. Oh, 흑백.
Oh, it means black and
Yeah,
white.
black and white.
핫바.
핫박. Oh, Korean 흑백.
Same.
Yeah,
핫바.
Chinese 핫백. Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, you can try. Okay, thank you, June.
Thank you, Janet.
Okay, so
Thank
see
you,
you next
Carl.
time. Bye bye.
What you need from me.
And I'll say, I'll be by your side, I'll be there. I'll hug you when you need. When you're depressed, when you're holding on to me, I'm never be down to be on you. Need still, through the wind and rain and wind, I want to be by your side. When you left alone, I can find peace with you. If only from hurt, if only from lost, if only about the high, I love you. I'll be there. I'll hug you when you need. When you're depressed, when you're holding on to me, I'm never enough to be on you.
好好哭出眼淚，遺憾仍在心裏。好好哭乾眼淚，用掉全部過去。曾能靠你還原的心碎，怎可以由他去總有情緒？不自覺痛苦水，好想盡碎。
咁好啦，下次我再帶大家去唔同嘅 cafe 啦，拜拜。